Now I'm going to write these operator. So these operators are used to access the values, especially the column values in a data frame. For example, let's say you have your data frame DF, and this DF data frame is having these column names. So the column names are dates, temperature, humidity in the sky. You can access these column values if you use these operators. You can use any of these operators separately. Let's go ahead and use the first operator first. So there you have the DF, and thereafter you need to put the operator opening and closing, which is actually a square bracket, opening and the closing bracket. Thereafter you need to mention here the name of column which you want to access. Thereafter you have here DF days, so you get it there. All right. So this one is the one method to get it, but there is a difference. I'll tell you later what is the difference between those methods. There you have a double square bracket, and if you run this one, you will be getting here a same result. But the difference is here, if you run with a single bracket, you will be getting the result as the data frame itself. But if you use here a double bracket, then you will be getting this result as a vector. And you can check it actually. So let me show you here. I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. And thereafter, I'm going to say here, this one is actually class. All right. So there you have a class. If you execute, it says that this is the class of data frame. And thereafter, if you run this one is the class of character, which is actually a vector. All right. And thereafter, you can also use here the type of operator. So if you use here the type of operator, you will be getting the same value which we have got earlier. All right. So this one is the character value, which is actually a kind of a format which is in the vector. All right. So moreover, it seems like it's like a string value. Moreover, all right. Perfect. So this is how you can access if you use this square bracket. There is a dollar sign. So this dollar sign is also used to access the column name, which we will be using throughout our video lectures. So the mostly we will be using a dollar sign. So there you can simply write DF, a dollar sign, and date. And if you write that, you will get something like this. All right. So what is the difference between now these, the first and this one? I mean, the single square bracket and this dollar sign, you can clearly see that there is a difference. Let's go ahead and check the class of this. All right. So the class of this is once again character. So the moreover, you can say there, if you use a single bracket, that will return you as a data frame. But if you use here a double bracket, and if you use here a dollar sign, this will return a vector, or you can say it's a kind of a list. All right. So that's what it is going to return you. All right. Perfect. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching it. I'll see you in next lesson.